Hello and welcome to Shopify Express. Today we will see how blog posts are created, how they're shown on the store. So let's go. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe it and like the video so you can get all the updated videos regarding Shopify store development. Okay, let's move to the work. Here in Shopify admin, you will see blog post option under the themes. We have also covered all these options about this blog post in this playlist you are watching. So in the blog post, you will see that we can create a blog post here. Just click on create blog post. Okay, in here we have to write some title. We write our first blog post for demo. So this is the title, and in the content you can write some content. We are giving it some demo content, right? So you can also make it visible from here. You can also create visibility date, like you can also schedule blog posts from here, like if you want to schedule it according to your time zone on some specific date, like after you are planning for some Cyber Monday, Black Friday blog post, then you can schedule post accordingly. Okay, we'll make it visible here. You can also add excerpt, like add a summary of the post to appear on your home page or blog. We can click on here, like this is the preview of some summary, like from the very beginning, like some wording from your original post. You can show it here, or you can also post some summary here. And in the feature image, you can add an image here, just like this. You have to create a image. Any image that you want. Okay, and then you can set an author here accordingly. You can also make it admin or something. And here in the blog, what category of blog that you want to make it in, or also you can create a new blog from here. So we have already one category, news. We will make it in it, and you can also give tag to your post, like according to that tags you can make custom collections, and in that collections you can make a condition that with these tags should be showing, blog post having these tags should be showing in this collection, so it will be easy to arrange the blog post in some collections. So you can also leave this. You can also give tag. Okay, here we have given some tag here, and then you can also select some template. Then you can also go for some custom template here, and then you can click on save. After clicking on save, you will see that we have created our first blog post, and when you will view it on, then you will click on view blog post, it will be like this, like your store name, custom domain, and then blogs, and then in blogs we have news section, and news we have this our title, like first blog post. So here you see we have our blog post image is showing. Okay, here you see we have image here, the featured image, and then we have our blog post, and so this is basically our blog post page. You can see it, and we can also add this blog post in the menus, in the navigation, on home page, and also on other positions of our store. So this was all about how to show blog post, how to create blog post. So in the next videos, when we will be making pages or navigations or other things, we will be also seeing that how to add these blog posts in pages, on the home page, in the navigation. So it will be easy for us to understand that how blog post works. I hope you understand that how the blog posts work. You can also then manage blog from here. You can also manage comments from here. Like in the manage blogs, you will see that we can sort it. Like you can also click on add blog, and you can give it a title. Instead of news, you can give it another title, and you can also disable or enable comments with these options. You can also let the comments not publish until you view it and publish it. So these are the options in manage blogs, and there are other options like manage comments. All the comments coming on your post will be showing here in the manage comment section, so you can enable it or and delete it or disable it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and keep watching for getting updated videos on Shopify store development in the same playlist. Thank you. Bye bye.